Hello again, everyone. We were talking about EDEXCEL Core Math. We were at 10th question, and today we will solve and finish this EDEXCEL Core Math exam paper. And we have a question here. A curve with equation passes through the point 4, 9, given the f prime, and find f of x, giving each term in its simplest form. What should we do? Find f of x is taking integral of both sides, these two sides, and this, and we can take each part's integral because it has a sum and subtraction here. That is a rule also, we know. I can recall for you. For example, if we have any f of x and or f prime, if we have two different kind of functions like 3x, for example, plus 2, if we want to take an integral of these two things, these two parts, we can write this instead of taking integral each side like this. That is a rule. That is our rule that we will use. And let's start finding the first part. We have a constant here, 3 over 2, and we just put it into the integral. Square root of x dx minus 9 over 4 integral dx over square root of x and plus integral to x dx. And we have some rule I want to recall about the finding square root of x, and that is easy way to writing square root of x like x to the power of 1 over 2, and we just add 1 and divide it to the power 1 over 2 plus 1. That will x to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. And another good trick I want to talk about. For example, we have 5 over 1 over 3. That means we have 5 already here, and we just swap it. 3 is numerator, 1 is denominator, like this. That will be easy to writing any rational number at the denominator. Let's do one more. For example, 4 over 1 over 7 is 7 over 1 times 4. That will 28. And also we can write this term like 2 over 3 times x to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, that is easy. And we have to change this term like let me say that, for example, 2 over 1 over 3 means in the third degree of a root to the power of 1. This one is 2's power. This one is root's degree. Another example. If we have x to the power of 5 over 4, that means we have fourth degree of x to the power of 5. That will beneficial things for finding functions simplest form. And we have here, we have 2 over 3 times x to the power of, let me write 2 over 3 times x to the power of 3 with square root. Here we have a constant here, 3 over 2. These are cancelled, and we have this one at the first part. And the second part, we have a constant here, 9 over 4, and we have the integral dx over square root of x. And how can we find the integral of this one? We can write it like x to the power 1 minus 1 over 2, and the integral of this is adding 1 and dividing the power. Really easy. Really easy. X to the power of 1 over 2, and we have 1 over 2. Again, we can write this denominator like 2 over 1, and then writing 1 times square root of x, because this denominator should be the degree and this numerator should be the x power. Okay, 2 root x. Yes, we can write it here. And we continue with the easy part. Integral of 2x dx is 2x plus 2x, and we have c, that is constant of whole integral. And we can rewrite this x to the power of 3 minus this cancellation gives us 9 over 2 times square root of x plus 2x plus c. That is our function of f of x. And we have a point here, 4, 9. We just put this point into the equation or into the function because it is already in the curve. Let's write 9 here and 4 instead of x, minus 9 over 2 times root 4 plus 2 times 4 plus c. We have to find the c, and I mean constant here. 9 is equal to square root of 64 minus 9 over 2 times 2 plus 8 plus c. We have 9, 8, these are cancelled, 9 plus 8 plus c. We have 9, we have minus 1 here, 8 plus c, 9, 7, c, and we have 2 is a constant. Yes, our f of x should be, what did we do? Yeah, sorry, square root of x cubed minus 9 over 2 times square root of x plus 2x plus 2. That is our f of x. We finish in part A in the simplest form, I think. And another information is given here. Point P lies on the curve. The normal to the curve at P is parallel to the line 2y plus x. Let me clear this part and think about it's our coordinate and xy coordinate, and we have a curve like this, C, or you can write f of x. And let's say a point P is here, or let me say here, no matter. The normal to the curve means what? We have a tangent at P. For example, this line is a tangent to the curve at the point P, and another line is perpendicular to the point P, perpendicular to the red line. That is tangent line. Let me write this with black one. That is tangent, that is normal. The multiplication of tangent and the normal should be -1. That is our rule. That is a really good rule. And let's say, what is the tangent of this line? Because two parallel lines like this, let's say these two lines are parallel, and their tangent should be the same. Then if we know the tangent of this line, we can find the tangent of the normal. Then we have rule finding a line linear equation like this. Just easy. I will teach you. Just leave y and find the constant of x. Okay, we have y here minus x over 2, and we can write this like -1 over 2 times x. That is the tangent of this line, 2y plus x. So we can say that the normal is -1 over 2. Then the tangent should be 2, because the multiplication of these two is -1. And we can say that the tangent is 2. What does it mean? What does the tangent at point P is 2? That means let me write this information here. We have f prime, right? At point P has x value, let's say x1, that is equal to 2. So we have f of x like 3 over 2 times square root of x minus 9 over 4 times 1 over square root of x plus 2 is equal to 2. We just put the value x1 in the coordinate. We will find the tangent as 2. These 2's are cancelled, and 3 over 2 times square root of x1 should be equal to 9 over 4 times 1 over square root of x1. And we have cancellation here. These 3's should be cancelled, and these 2 and these 4 should be cancelled, and we have we can multiply both sides with square root of x1 and square root of x1. These are cancelled, and we have here x1 is 3 over 2. That is a point P 3 over 1 comma something. And the question asks for x coordinate of P, and we are done. Yes, we finished the core math exam paper. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a good day. Bye bye.